Click on the link below to get price. The Canon EF 70-200mm f/2.8L USM lens is a cornerstone in the arsenal of both professional and amateur photographers. Renowned for its exceptional optical quality, this lens delivers stunning images with impressive sharpness, vibrant colors, and beautiful bokeh. The constant f/2.8 aperture allows for excellent low-light performance, making it suitable for various shooting conditions, from indoor events to outdoor sports. One of the standout features of this lens is its robust build quality. The L series designation means it's designed to withstand the rigors of professional use, with weather sealing that offers protection against dust and moisture. This durability is crucial for photographers who often work in challenging environments. The lens also features a fast and reliable ultrasonic motor, USM, for quick and silent autofocus, ensuring that you capture fleeting moments without delay. The included filter kit is a thoughtful addition, as it includes essential filters that enhance the lens's versatility. A UV filter helps protect the lens while improving image clarity, while a polarizing filter can reduce glare and enhance colors in landscape photography. The ND filter allows for creative control over exposure in bright conditions, making this kit a valuable asset. Furthermore, the accompanying backpack is designed with photographers in mind, providing ample storage and protection for your gear. It comfortably fits the lens along with a camera body and additional accessories, ensuring you can transport your equipment safely and conveniently. In terms of versatility, the 70-200mm focal length range makes it suitable for a variety of photography styles, including portraits, wildlife, and sports. This lens excels in capturing fast-moving subjects due to its quick autofocus and image stabilization features, which help to minimize blur from camera shake. Overall, the Canon EF 70-200mm f/2.8L USM lens, accompanied by a filter kit and a well-designed backpack, forms an essential package for anyone serious about photography. Its combination of optical excellence, durability, and practicality makes it a worthy investment for capturing stunning images across various genres.